When we think of hybrid organisms, we tend to think of things that are rare or remote, like a grizzly bear, a cross between a polar bear and a grizzly bear, which is something most of us will never see in a lifetime.
But hybrids are actually quite common, forming naturally in many species of plants, animals, and fungi. Early in human history, people started using hybridization as a tool, crossing different genetically compatible species to get the desirable features of both organisms. Take mules, for example. They're stronger than their horse and donkey parents, and crops, like hybrid rice, have much larger yields. Humans have also been fascinated by hybrids for centuries. When I was a kid, my dream job would have been to study pegacorns, hybrids between Pegasus and unicorns. Now, as a biologist, I study much smaller winged hybrids, chickadees. I'm part of a group that studies Carolina and black-capped chickadees that live in eastern North America. I know these birds look pretty much the same, but they have a lot of genetic differences, suggesting they evolved separately for over 1 million years. Black-capped chickadees are adapted to colder habitats than Carolina chickadees, but there's a small area where their habitats overlap, called the hybrid zone. This is where black-capped chickadees and Carolina chickadees often interbreed and create hybrids. So why are hybrids interesting to study? Hybridization can speed up evolution by exchanging genes between species, introducing variation faster than waiting for new mutations to occur. So we can think of hybrid zones as a sort of testing grounds for evolution, which is really interesting to study. As climate change warms our world, the ranges of many species adapted to cold weather are shrinking, while the ranges of species adapted to warm weather are expanding. In the case of the chickadees we study, their hybrid zone is moving rapidly north at a rate of about 1 kilometer per year. Although we have no way of predicting when or if hybridization will benefit either of the chickadee species we study, or how it will affect the functioning of ecosystems that humans depend on, one thing is for sure: hybridization is way more common than people often realize. See if you can do a search and find out what species hybridize near you.